Today it's been our pleasure to host an agent networking event. This is our opportunity to say thank you to our agents for partnering with us through 2018 and to supporting us for 2019. It's an opportunity for them to meet each other. Many don't get the opportunity to meet agents from different countries. The feedback we have from agents is that they find these events really useful for better understanding the sector as a whole and also for better understanding the relationships between the various markets. It's also a great opportunity for agents to see some of our students at work. Tonight we've been able to showcase not just the cocktail making skills of some of our very talented young people, but also the skills they're acquiring in service and presentation and the confidence to use English, which for nearly all of them is a second language. We love hosting these events. They're a great opportunity to get feedback, to provide information, and to explain what we've got planned for 2019.